Hi everyone, this is Bob from Reta Machinery. Today I'd like to introduce our pneumatic cutting tools for the copper tube and the cutting. This tools is easy for use, and we can use the 1x4 size air pipe connected, and the compressed air pressure is 6 kilogram or 7 kilogram is enough, and the compressed air should be clean and dry. Uh, one tool can be install different cutting load for different copper tube size. So you will see, for example, this is a cutting load for one size, and it's easy to change. Let me show you. We need to remove this screw cap and insert this cutting load here, and then fasten it. That's finished. This is a measurement load. So for this one, you can move the different distance to the end plate distance to control the cutting length. And many customers maybe ask how to pay attention to the maintenance daily for this tool. So we only need to focus two points. One point for this one. So we need to drop the evaporative oil evaporative oil for the pneumatic, especially for pneumatic use, 2 times daily. This one 2 times daily. And the second point is here. Here we also need to drop three drops inside this hole 1 week. Every week we need to drop 3 drops here. So that's all. So now let us take a look how this tool work in daily production.